Hey guys out there, this is George coming to you from georgepauly.com, and today we are going to be reviewing commission pages. Go over what it is, what do you have to do, or what will it do for you, and if you do it, will it make you any money? Because that's why we're all here, is because we want to find out if what this is all about and how can it help us out, because it's all about us. I've got some bonuses also I'm going to go over, so stay tuned for that, and we'll get right to that. But right now, we are in the back office of commission pages. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, in the description below, there is a link that says, get commission pages and my bonuses. So if you click on that, you will get to this bonus page right here. Now, if you decide to grab this, what you want to do is you're going to click on one of these red boxes right here, and then that will take you over to a sales page, which looks a little bit like this. Now, this price goes up every 60 minutes, and this is being recorded a day early. So when you do catch it, it will probably be live. You can go through this whole thing here on your own time. Again, if you get to my bonus link down below, and then you click on this one of these red bar links, which are all over here, like this, then you can go ahead and pick this up for yourself. So let's go over commission pages. What is commission pages here? Instantly $525 plus online every day with commission pages and 100% free traffic. Now, everyone says there is free traffic, and there is a lot of free traffic out there, but how do you get your own free traffic? So this commission pages, I'm going to go over this. I'm going to dig into this. I'm going to show you what this can actually do for you. And for new people out there, it takes a lot of work off your back, but you still need traffic. Now they've got a lot of traffic ideas and a lot of things to get you there, but I'm giving you more. I'll give you more traffic that is from other proven methods. Hey, everything's proven, right? But I'm doing my best, because if you do decide to get this, I want you to succeed, all right? There's no point in buying any of this stuff if it doesn't work and you can't make any money. So, what is this all about? It's everything you need for ultra profitable lists and hands-free commissions inside one cloud-based platform. That means it's not on your computer, it's out there in the cloud, okay? Done for you commission pages. You get paid to build your list, because everyone knows, the money is in the list. And this is the fastest way to grow a list and get new leads from scratch. And there's money pages here with have a lot of offers, and they're customizable and even high ticket offers. And I like that. I like that about this. And I'll show you that when we get there. Okay, pre-approved affiliate offers. That's important, because starting out, you don't always get approved for everything. Um, Brand new done for you traffic app. This works in 60 seconds. Now, I haven't tried it if it doesn't work in 60 seconds, but I think once you get up and running, and you understand it and you've got everything set up, sure, you'll get it. Beginner friendly. There's a lot of stuff on there, and these guys are good. These guys have made some great products and have won a lot of awards. So this I believe would be just at the same level as everything else that they've made. No list, no website. And look at this, 180-day money back guarantee. That's 6 months. That's half a year. If you can't make your money in this, look at yourself in the mirror and go to my YouTube page, which you're on right now, and go ahead and check out some of the mindset stuff there. Anyways, what does this cost here? The front end is what is it going to cost for you to get in, okay? Starting at $17, and it's going to go up every hour. So watch out for that. There's going to be timers, and it's always going to go up. So the unlimited version here is 67 with a downsell of 37, 100% done for you, 97 with a downsell of 67. Getting unlimited traffic, 147 and then 47. So I think that this is a typo. Over here it says 97 and 67. Now let's see. I got them mixed up here. There is something that is a little bit different here than here. So when you get through your funnel, watch for that. The funnel's not open yet, so I can't really see it. But here, OTO3, which, yep, see, this only has 6 and there's 7 here. So something's a little bit, I don't know. I would go by what the sales page says when you actually get there. This is the sales page. When you click on one of these Get Started Now, then you'll go to that, and it will bring you through that. But $17 gets you in it early, so that's where you're at. And from there, you can get all my bonuses, and I think a lot of their bonuses too. So here's some key benefits. Okay, passive affiliate commissions. Grow a list. Okay, done for you commission pages included. I'm going to show you what that looks like. You'll also be able to create your own commission pages that are included in this done for you page. This is really kind of cool, and I'll show you that because you can choose how you want to build it, and yours will be unique and different than everyone else's. Maximize your leads. Offer high ticket and low ticket at the same time. Premium hosting. It's all on their service. Free traffic. Everyone says that. Step-by-step training. Training was pretty good. Over 100 premium lead magnets. I'll show you that. That's really nice. That's really nice here. Customizable pages. As I said, you'll be able to put your links in there and your autoresponder, so you get to keep the leads. So there is a video here which I put down again there in the link of the description to get this and go to my bonuses. You'll get on this page here and scroll down. You can watch the video, and then some of the bonuses here that I put together for you. So that way, my thought is, if you want to do this, and I think that if you're a beginner or even an intermediate somewhat, I'm lazy. These guys have put it all together. And it's really easy, just kind of click, 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 and it falls right into place, and I'm going to show you that. But some bonuses here, this Atomic Done For You, this is 50 Done For You products. Now, they've given you some Done For You products, but you're going to get some more here, and their products are built into their software. These are an additional on the side, so as you build your list and you want to continue marketing, I'm giving you 50 more products that you can promote. So number 2 over here, again, there's a lot of traffic already. They're giving you a lot of add-ons, but I'm going to give you here this Expert Secrets book from Russell Brunson. It's free plus shipping. You can probably get it anywhere, but I'll give you a link here just in case if you haven't got it. There's one in the YouTube description below also. And I'm also going to give you the Traffic Secrets. These books are fantastic. I've gone through them more than once and always get something, get something great out of them. Click on one of these red boxes here and it'll get to you the sales page. Now this here, Insurgency, this is really kind of cool, valued at $267. And what you're going to do, this is going to help you get more traffic to your affiliate offers. This is a whole course class in itself, and it automates really cheap clicks into commissions like clockwork. So this is going to help you out there, because if you're a beginner or even intermediate, want to get you pushed up a little bit and make this whole thing easier, and find what works good for you. Now, bonus number 5, valued at $2,000. Yes, that is right. These online business addicts here, they are the bomb, because they understand that there's all kinds of information. Right now, I'm giving you information, commission pages, which I'm going to go over. They're giving you all the information, but they're not giving you any experience. These guys here, hands-on, will give you the experience so you can be successful. When I first started helping them generate their program and get the bugs worked out, 4 days I had my first high-ticket sale using their method. So go ahead and you're going to want to check that out. So bonus number 6 really is all the vendor bonuses, and they're going to go over that in the sales letters, in the sales page. This is delivered here on Warrior Plus. So you can go ahead and click on one of these here and access your purchases and get your bonuses down there. So anyways, my name's George. Go ahead and click on that link if you're interested and want to get it, and go this way over here. Now this is what it's going to look like here. The getting started was pretty good. Hey, these guys are really open, okay? And they're like, hey, if you need some help, go to the tutorials here. And again, their tutorials, I believe, have given just a lot of, look at this. Done for you campaigns, all these things. It just goes on. And I'm really a big guy on how do I do this? I need some help. So these campaigns, there's no campaigns there yet, but it's done for you. So check this out. I went in here and then I decided to edit one of these to take a look at it. Passive profit funnels. Maybe you've heard of that, maybe you've not. But this is just a sample in here. Page title, this is what you could be building, okay? And then you get to pick your theme color, right? From down here, there's these different ones. I'm not going to change anything here. The background, then what you do here is you choose your autoresponder. So if you're with Aweber, get response, doesn't matter what, boom, you're in there. And over here, if you put your code in there, whatnot, and a redirect URL if you need to do that. Squeeze page. All right, now check this out. Get instant access. That's a headline. Want to learn how we made $100 on day consistently? Download the report. Then over here, look at all these reports you got. Let me scroll down. There are all these different reports that you can give them. Okay, now there are more, but this is just kind of the entry level here. So then over here, you can go ahead and congratulations, that's the affiliate page settings. You go and you put the images in here, which is like this, and you also put in your affiliate URLs here. So that's what's really kind of cool, all right? And beginner friendly, these are all the different things. Cloud-based, this is all the stuff that's in there that you're seeing probably as you go through the sales page if you decide to get it. So, free traffic, coming back over here. Again, I think these guys put together some really fantastic, look at all these different things, right? Okay, get the affiliate traffic lab, boom. A viral news jacker, boom. Your traffic training, boom. All the stuff over here. It's just, they've given you all kinds of access to free traffic. So, I like this. I like this. I like this program. I think that for beginners, this is something that might be right up your alley. So anyways, my name is George. If you are a beginner, intermediate, and you want to do some affiliate marketing, this I think is a simple way where all the pages are all built. Traffic, without going into that, the traffic is going to be the biggest challenge for you. It always is. You can have a garage sale, and if nobody drives in and stops to buy your stuff, you're not going to make any money. That's what we're here for. We're here so you can do good, so you can make some money. Now go ahead, click on the link below, give me a thumbs up, a like, whatever you want to do. Thanks, guys. Go have a good day. Bam!